So once your Infraworks model is ready, it will appear somewhere here like this, and it will show the model builder model. Okay, and this means you still haven't downloaded it, and you need to download it. So let's click on the file and file name, and then it will start downloading. So let's click on it. Okay, now it's showing opening model, and it started downloading. So it will take some time to download based on your internet speed. So once it's downloaded, it will just open like that. Okay. So here we have our data that we need. And normally these, you will see the river here, and the road is just above that river. The the road is just above the surface of the river. It's because of the settings issue. So don't worry about this. We will fix it. We will model a bridge here and fix this issue, and other things we will maybe remodel a road and different components, and we'll see how to do it. Okay, so first thing, let's learn some navigation. Okay, so if you use your left mouse button, then you are just able to rotate it like this. Okay, okay, and if you use your right mouse button, you can just drag it, so pan it like this. Okay, so if you use scroll wheel, you can, if you scroll like that, you can zoom in and zoom out simply. But if you hold it and uh, move up or down, you will just be able to, if you just maybe we go near the mountain, and then it will be easier to see. Okay, so you just grab your uh, scroll wheel and then drag your cursor up and down. Then for dragging up and down, you will be able to go up and down like that in elevation. Don't rotate it, so you will be able to go up and down like this. Okay, so this is simple navigation using your mouse. Okay. Then another thing important is right now we are in this view model builder, and if you want to go back to your and open other model, so you just have to click on this icon and you will go into the backstage view. Okay, now you don't have any option to go back to that view again. That's not true. You just click again into this icon, the Infraworks icon, and you will bring you back into your model view. Okay, then let's check the tabs we have here. So first one is the manage tab. From here you have model properties. You can set model properties, model explorer, and these others we will later see how we can use these all. Then you have content creation, data source, and everything, and to display the terrain so that a particular way, so that what's important and what's not important. And this one we can use for the analysis. Okay, and this stuff, and in there you have creation. You can create all those stuff like the roads and structures and drainages or other environments, means the highway furnitures that you want, and then you have option to analyze also. Actually, this is a very good tool. The Infraworks is a very good tool, and you can carry out traffic simulations and other analysis, even the structural analysis, preliminary structural analysis for the bridges you can carry out. You can even do the line girdle analysis and refined analysis. Okay, so this is a pretty powerful software for preliminary design. Okay, and then you have the drainage also here, and at the last you have is the present and share option. So probably in the first video series, I will just model it and teach you how to present and share. Okay, then later part of the video, later another series, I think that will be devoted to analysis of the structure and the transportation simulation, or we can do the drainage analysis as well, how we can do the drainage analysis. That will look into the later tutorials. Okay, this one is these, and then here you have, if you just drag it, there is option for the profile view. If you select a road, here is a road that we have here. You see there is a contextual option. Okay, so you drag a little bit, and then you have a contextual option that's available. Okay, and this one here, right now we are in the uh, layout view, like 3D layout view. And if we click this one, profile view, you will have here available the profile view option. Right now it's not available, as this is not our row. We have to you know create our road. So this one does not have any elevations or anything like that set. So that's why it's not available. Later, if you we can have it. And here you have on the cursor, you have it the zoom selected item or clear selected, and these other stuff to select. Another, we have option to measure. Different options to measure it. Measure the distances and other things. Okay. And afterwards, we have here the settings and a lot of other stuff that we gonna use. Okay, we will see it later one by one. And here you can bookmark, like let's say I'm here right now. I'm looking at something important, and I want to quickly go back to that location. So this one I can just bookmark it. Okay, and I can just rename it, maybe call it RE just for right now. Okay, and then I go somewhere and I'm here, and then if I have to go back to that view, I just click on it and I'm back to that view. So this is pretty cool. Easy option for the navigation that we will frequently use. And then this one right now you have is master. Okay, so you can have multiple revisions, multiple options, multiple proposals. So this one is master. If you just add another one and just say, we say name A just for right now, and we put it like that. So if this one is now set to A, okay, and if I change anything, I like maybe I change this one. Okay, I deleted it. Okay, so it's in A. If I go to the master, I will still have this particular item. And let's go back again to the A. It's not there. Okay, so this is the thing. This is also a very good option. Then another thing that you have here is the view, type of view. Right now we are in conceptual view, and if you switch to the engineering view, you will have contours displaying, and other things also you can turn it on to see. We will see it later when we as we go through the tutorial. And you can also add view, and you can customize the view settings from here. Okay, and add the view, and then you can just switch it to it. Okay, there are all other stuff to explore here. We will explore it later. Okay, and at the top you will have the login, your account options, and then the settings that controls a lot of things, including 3D graphics, units, and all other stuff. So this video is just to make you, and also you can here you can set your home. Okay, you see a small icon here highlighted that you can set your home. Right now, home is set to this, and you can change it as well if you right click. And now if I just rotate it and I want to set current view as home, then now this is home. Okay, earlier it was something like this. If I click now, it's home. Okay, so this video is just about these stuff, the simple stuff. Later in the video we'll see more in depth and we will start modeling our road in the from the next video. Okay, uh, so that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.